Christmas dinner in just 20 minutes. Yes, fast, simple, and still beautiful. If you think holiday tables have to be stressful and time consuming, let me show a smarter way. Mini burgers that take minutes to assemble. Fresh food, quick, colorful, and festive. Simple crackers with cream cheese dressed up to look holiday ready. No complicated cooking, no hours in the kitchen, just simple ideas that actually work. This is proof that a holiday table can be quick, affordable, and still look amazing. And this is exactly what my channel is about. Fast recipes, smart home tips, simple folding tricks that save time and space. If you love quick solutions that make everyday life easier, subscribe and stay with us. Snap and done, save time, save a ton. Bye bye.